Hello everybody, it's Lisa Freeman here from stampingwithlisa.com, and thank you for joining me today. I just wanted to pop on real quick. This is not a stamping video, it's more of an information video. So I wanted to tell you about this humongous sale Stampin' Up! Is having tomorrow. Well, it starts tomorrow. It goes on until everything sells out, but it starts tomorrow, actually tonight at midnight Mountain Time, which is 2 o'clock in the morning Eastern Time where we are. So I wanted to tell you everything that's going to be on sale, and it's a humongous sale. There's tons of stuff that's 50% off, and a lot more that's even 10, 20, 30, 40% off too, but there's a lot of stuff at 50%. So I wanted to just go through and show you some of the highlights. Let me get my computer set up right so I can see comments. Hey, Deborah. All right, so my site is stampingwithlisa.com. Here's the host code. If you want to order, make sure you use that host code. So this is the holiday mini that was getting ready to retire in just a couple weeks. And then the new spring mini is going to start. And that one is fantastic. If you're one of my customers, you should be getting it in the mail anytime now. But I wanted to show you some of the things in here. So I would say about 3/4 of the stuff in here is retiring, and some of my favorites are half off. So we're just going to start in the beginning. So on page 4, the Joy of Sharing stamp set, that's 30% off. That's a really cute one, and that is the card kit. I mean, the whole card kit is 30% off. So it was $35, and that's going to be 35% off. So that whole page, 30% off. And then the Tag Buffet Project Kit, this whole page is 50% off. And this set, oh actually it's not the whole page, it's just the top part. The Tag Buffet stamp set's retiring, but that's not on sale. So just the kit is 50% off. And next page, this is a favorite of mine, the Christmas Countdown Kit that came back from last year is really, really cute. And you can do the front Christmas, the back a different thing. That is half off. So it's only $15 right now. Well, starting tomorrow. And that is a great deal. You could stock up on those for future Christmases. The Most Wonderful Time product medley, 20% off. And the refill kit's also 20% off. The stamp set is actually staying. So the stamp set will be around, but the kit is going. All right, I hope you guys can see that. Let me scoot it over. All right, next page is Heartwarming Hugs Suite. That's retiring, but the dies are staying. And I'm thinking the paper's staying too because it was not on the list. And I did send a list out the other day. So these two are retiring, the bundle and the stamp set, but the dies are staying. The carrier is retiring. That's 50% off, so that's a good deal. $2.50 for the carriers. Cups are staying. The Wrapped in Texture embossing folders, those are half off. Ribbon is half off. This ribbon's half off, and the glitter star ornaments are half off. So all those are really good deals, half off. And I'm not sure why they're retiring that mini coffee carrier because that is really cute and goes with the cup. So I don't know if they're coming out with a new carrier or what's going on with that, but I would definitely stock up on those if you'd like that. Next thing is the Warm Hugs bundle. And this one, the dies are staying, but the stamp set is retiring. Those are not on sale. And then Wrapped in Christmas, retiring. That one's not on sale either, but that is a great stamp set. That's one of my favorite ones with Christmas blessings, Most Wonderful Time of the Year, Peace on Earth. Those are some great words, so you might want to get that because it's going to go away. This one, Gift Wrap Bundle, is retiring. And the punch is 20% off. So if you like that punch, get that. The stamp set's retiring though. This was one of my favorites, the Dove of Hope bundle. The bundle is retiring, and there's no sale on the bundle or the stamp set, but the dies are 10% off. So even if you just get the dies, that's a great set to get, even without the stamp set. Poinsettia, oh my gosh, this is my like super duper favorite one. So the paper, which is the most gorgeous paper ever, is 30% off. The suite's retiring just because so many things are retiring, but they are keeping the stamp set and dies, which I'm really excited about. So the stamp set and dies are staying, but everything else is retiring. So paper's 30% off. The plush poinsettia specialty paper is 50% off. The beaded pearls, oh my gosh. I bought like 20 packs of these, and now they're going to be 50% off tomorrow. So $4 for those beaded pearls, and you get 18 of them in a pack. So that's an awesome deal. I'm going to stock up on more of those because I use them on everything. So even, I can't use them in class anymore, but I will buy a bunch of those. So these are all staying. The poinsettia stamp set and dies are staying, but the bundle, you will not get the bundle price next year. So you can get them next year, but not the bundle price. So if you like that, save 10%, get the bundle. Peaceful Nativity, that's retiring. The dies are going to be half off, so that's a good deal. Peace and Joy, this bundle's retiring, and the dies are 30% off. Stamp sets not, most of the stamp sets are not going to be discounted, just the dies. Christmas Gleaming, this is one that came back, and I really loved this one. That's retiring, and the dies are retiring, and they're 50% off right now too. Well, starting tomorrow. I keep saying right now, but it starts at midnight tonight, Mountain Time, so 2 o'clock our time. Brightly Gleaming Paper, 50% off. That is a huge deal because it's $15, so it's only going to be $7.50. And next page is Fireside Trimmings. This is retiring, but the dies are 30% off. This next one, The Sweetest Time bundles, retiring. Dies are also 30% off. So the trend here is it's retiring and the dies are going to be off. This one, oh, the Triangle, it says these are 20%. This set's 20% off. So that's the first set I've come across that's actually on sale. I didn't see anything about the foil sheet, so I guess they're staying. Known for the Holidays is going. Don't Stop Believing is going. And that's a cute one. I like that Santa Claus. The Trimming the Town Suite. This is not one that I got. I wasn't really crazy about it, but there was a ton of stuff on Pinterest and other places that I saw that was cute. So the paper's 10% off. The bundle's retiring. The embellishments are 50%. Ribbon is 50%. So those two deals are good. That ribbon's really pretty too. So the stamp set is gone. Dies are 30% off. The Moose, this was a returning favorite also. So those are both retiring. No sale on those two. So if you want to get it now. Yuletide Pasture retiring. The Jingle Bells are half off. Those are really cute. These Snowflake adhesive backed embellishments, I love those. Those are half off. The felt sheets are 50% off, and the stamp set is retiring. Hopefully you guys can see this. Wonder of the Season, this is another pretty one. The paper, which is absolutely gorgeous, is half off, and that's a great deal too. It's going from $15 to $7.50. That's a good deal. And this paper, 'Tis the Season, 6x6, 20% off. And let's see, this ribbon combo pack, half off. Wonder of the Season, Memories and More, half off. Wonder of the Season, Memories and More cards and envelopes, half off. And I guess those are staying because there was nothing about that. So here, the Wishes in Wonder, which is one of my favorites. I did a lot of cards with this stamp set. This is retiring, but the dies are 30% off. So the dies are retiring, but they're 30% off now. So actually it's cheaper. Instead of getting the bundle, it's actually cheaper to get these separate right now during the sale because you would save money that way. So you're paying full price for the set, but you're 30% off of the die. So it's cheaper to buy it separate. Same with this one. So you've got Sounds of the Season dies, 20% off, but the stamp set is not on sale, but they're both retiring. This one is another one of my favorite papers, Twal Tidings, 30% off. Joyful Holly retiring, no sale on that one. For Unto Us is staying. This is staying, and this is also staying. I forgot to mark that in my book, but this is staying too. And this is one of my favorites. So K means keeping, R means retiring. So this is a great one. I'm so glad they kept this one because it's really pretty. Oh, here's my other favorite. Now, luckily, the stamp set and dies are staying. The bundle is retiring, so you won't be able to get the 10% off, but you can still get the separate, and there's no discount on it. So if you want it, I would go ahead and get it with the bundle price. The paper, which is absolutely gorgeous, 20% off. The Winter Snow Embossing Folder, which is one of my favorites, half off. Balmy Blue Glimmer Paper, half off. And the Snowflake Splendor Ribbon is half off, which that's beautiful too. So a lot of half off here. The blue adhesive back gems staying. And like I said, these two are staying, but if you want the bundle price, that will be going. So you need to get that now. Another one of my favorites that's staying, I'm so excited about, is Snow Wonder. So those two are staying, the stamp set and the dies, but the bundle price will be retiring. So if you want it on sale, get it now. I know I'm going kind of fast, but I just wanted to show you this so you could get your list going. And I did send out the list, but I just wanted to make it easy for you so you can watch the video and just mark it real easy yourself instead of going through the whole list. The Ornamental Envelopes bundle's retiring. The dies are 40% off, and you don't need the stamp set to go with the dies. This is just, you could use it by itself. And the stamp set's retiring. Light Me Home's retiring. Oh my gosh, the Feels Like Frost paper, half off. That is my favorite paper ever of all time. I am going to stock up on that. Even though we can't use it anymore, I have like 6 packs, and I'm going to get probably 6 more packs if I can get it before it sells out. And remember, everything that's going on sale is while supplies last. So if you wait until tomorrow afternoon, there's going to be a lot of things sold out. So I would do it first thing in the morning. The Warm and Toasty stamp set is retiring. And In the Pines is retiring also. The dies are 30% off. That's a pretty set. I bought it and never even got a chance to use it. So I'm kind of bummed about that because it's really pretty. Oops. And the Gilded Autumn, this is another one that's really pretty, that's retiring. So the Acorns are 50% off. The Basket Weave Metallic Ribbon Combos, 50% off. The Punches are retiring. Paper's retiring, and that one is not on sale, so I'm guessing they're almost sold out of that already. The Punch Pack, 20% off. The Beautiful Autumn stamp set is gone. Bundle's gone. Not gone, but going. Retiring. This one is retiring, but these dies are 50% off, and these dies are gorgeous. I love them. That's one of my favorite stamp sets too. So this one would be cheaper to get the two separately than getting that bundle, because if you get those half off, that's a really good deal. That's $13 for the dies. All right, this one, Autumn Goodness, retiring. The bundle's retiring, but the dies are 30% off. And this one is staying. I'm excited about this because I love this one. The Love of Leaves and Stitch Sleeves dies, those are staying. But the bundle price is going. Page 50, Autumn Greetings retiring. Dies are retiring and they're 40% off. And this one's another one I bought and never got a chance to use. I'm kind of bummed about that one. Life is Beautiful, going. The Gold Cards and Envelopes, going. This is the Halloween. I don't really do Halloween, so I didn't buy any of this stuff except for this ribbon and these pearls. But all the paper, 40% off. The bundle's gone. 30% off the embossing folder. This one I think is staying because I didn't see it anywhere. The pearls, I loved these pearls. They were so pretty. They were kind of bluish, purplish, silver kind of mixed together. I bought a bunch of those, and those are half off, so that's a great deal. The mesh ribbon is staying. This stamp set is 10% off, and the dies are 30% off. So that'd be cheaper to get it separate than with the bundle price. Sorry if I'm going too fast. I don't want to drag this out all day, but I just wanted to get it so you could take screenshots of them or just mark your book as I'm going. Ghoulish Goodies, retiring, and the rectangle tins are 30% off. Those are really cute to put little gifts in. I like those. Plaid Sweet Tidings, or Plaid Tidings Sweet. This is another one that was very popular. That paper was real popular. That's going. The sweet's going. The dies and the ribbon. Ribbon is 50% off though. Oh, and the dies are 50% off. Ooh, that's a good one. And I just bought that not 2 weeks ago. I just bought that and haven't even used it yet. So I'm kind of bummed. I wish I'd waited. But the stamp set's retiring because it makes really cute bag toppers. I thought that was really cute. So you can just punch the die out, fold it in half, and make the top of a gift bag. And I know I had to kind of cut my classes short because of the COVID thing, so I didn't get to do my December classes. So that was one of the things I was going to show, but I have to do a video of it and hope they're left when I do the video. All right, this one's retiring. The gusseted cello bags on page 60, those are 20% off, sorry. And the turnovers are 20% off. Everything Essential retiring, the bundles retiring, and the punch is staying. So that's a K for keeping. I guess I should have put an S for staying. Pika Hoot dies 40% off. The bundle price is going, stamp set's going, everything's going, but the dies are 40% off. Festive Post, this is another one that I thought was really cute. That's retiring. The Red Velvet paper pack is staying. Almost done. A couple pages left. All right, Snowflake Sequins half off. That's a good deal on those. Lots to celebrate. Retiring. The Mason Jar Shaker Domes, I'm pretty sure those are staying because I think they're in the big book. They are in the big book. This one is staying. The Banner Year Bundle. The bundle price will be going, but you can still get the punch and the Banner Year set. Festive Corners, retiring. No sale on that. Sequins are staying. Menagerie Mix-Up, that's going, but the dies are 40% off. And a lot of times you can get the dies separate from the stamp set, and they're really fun to use by themselves, like the Dove one. That's a really good one. You really don't need the stamp set. Press On is going. The rectangle tins, 30% off. Round tins, 30% off. Freezin' Fun Bundle. This one is retiring, and the dies are 30% off. Almost all the dies are on sale, so that's a really good deal. All right, we're at the end. Last thing, Little Treats Bundle, retiring. Stamp sets going, and dies are 30% off. So, we are done. I hope you liked that quick walkthrough of the Holiday Mini. You can get yours out, go through Market, circle everything you want to get, and as soon as you get up in the morning or stay up late tonight, get online. Make sure you go to my website, stampingwithlisa.com, click the shop button, and use the hostess code. It's TPXGWU4D like dog. Okay? So make sure you use that hostess code. It's also on my website, so you don't really have to write it down. It's on there if you go to stampingwithlisa.com. So make sure you go to Stamping with Lisa and not Stampin'. That's a different person. So make sure you got the G in there. If you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to get notified when I do videos. And I will see you later on because I'm planning on doing another video later this afternoon. So you guys have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.